Hello, testing 1 2 3 4. Hey guys, if you're having the problem that I've been having, um, it's pretty bad. We do a speed test. So I'm getting 16 megabytes per second when I should be getting so much more. So as you can see here, where am I at? If you go here, I have the 1 gig plan, Mediacom. So I should be getting 1000 megabytes a second, and I'm getting 16. So this might not be the same for you, but for me to fix it, what I had to do is open up command prompt, run as administrator, and first I had to figure out if it was actually messed up. So the way you check is this will be in the description, this link. So you paste it in here, Control V, enter. So this thing right here, receive window auto tuning level. It's disabled, needs to be enabled. Okay, so the way you want to do that is go like this, grab that, copy it, paste that. Now it said okay, that means it worked. So let's go see if it worked for sure. Yep, normal. So we don't need that anymore. Let's go to do a speed test real quick. Man, I'm so happy to have this fixed. Okay. Boom. That's how it should be. Hopefully that fixed you guys' problem, and peace out.